Cooking with air fryers has become very popular in the US. Today we're going to make a fantastic, easy, and fast dish with lemon pepper and chicken thighs. I'm trying the same version I found on Whip It Up with Jay's YouTube channel because it looks so good and so easy. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make air fryer lemon pepper chicken thighs, and they're going to be fantastic. I got this recipe from Whip It Up with Jay's, a great website on YouTube. Fantastic filming, great editing, good recipes. This looks so good, I have to try it. I'm copying it and we're going to do it today. Obviously we have 4 chicken thighs. I've removed some of the excess skin. On that we're going to put some olive oil, and then these spices we're going to mix together and put over the chicken and cook it for 20 minutes at 385, flipping it at 10 minutes. We'll have about a half a teaspoon of salt, and here more pepper than salt. We're going to have a full teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of paprika, and this is Italian seasoning. When we get done with the chicken, we're going to cover it with 4 tablespoons of melted butter, in which we will have 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of chicken broth, and 2 tablespoons of commercially made lemon pepper sauce, not sauce, lemon pepper powder seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning. We've got the salt, the pepper, the onion powder, garlic powder, the paprika, the Italian seasoning, and that's our spices. We're gonna mix those up nicely. All right, that's good right there. And now we're gonna take the chicken and put it on a plate. Make sure this is nice and dry. Moisture is the enemy of frying crisply. So we want this nice and dry. I wanna go ahead and just get some olive oil on these. Rub it all over. We just wanna coat them. We don't wanna have them swimming in it. Air fryer is gonna be at 385 for 20 minutes, flipping at 10. And while we're preheating, I will get the spices on here. I did use smoked paprika because I prefer it over just sweet paprika. So we've got that. And we want this on there nice. I'm gonna get out all of it. And obviously this is plenty, more than we actually need. We're done with that. Wash my hands again and we get ready to put it back in. Combining lemon with pepper dates back to ancient times. Lemons coming initially from India. And back then, pepper was a flavorful spice that was highly prized. Chicken wings first became popular using lemon pepper in the 1980s in Atlanta. Before that, commercially produced lemon pepper was developed in California by Willem Schoffitt in 1966. The combination of lemon and pepper has now become popular with the rest of the chicken parts, as well as other dishes like pizza, tacos, and fries. Today we are going to continue these popular ingredients in our air fryer version with chicken thighs. Okay, so we are preheated and we're ready to put the chicken in. Remember, we're going skin down to begin with. All right, we are beginning. Okay, so it's not telling us to flip yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it.
I didn't know that you said it to tell it to flip.
Well, I don't know.
You didn't, you just put it on 20 minutes.
Yeah, this is the 3rd time I've done this. So let's just do this. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, look at that. All right. It'll probably tell us to flip it in a couple minutes or in a minute. Okay. Should be done in 10 minutes. All right, so we got about 2 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Here comes the 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna need a spatula for that. 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. And we're gonna brush that on. Oh, that looks good. All right, we're closing in. Lights are on.
Oh, I didn't know that had a light. You can.
It has a light.
That's hilarious.
Oh, look at that. Come on, look at that.
Wow. That looks good.
We're looking for 165. Okay, that's pretty good. Hitting the bone. That's 170. That's 160. 172. We're gonna let them set because there's carryover temperature. But this one here may be a little under. If it is, we'll put it back in for a couple of minutes. Not a problem. The other 3 are fine. It'll go up at least 5 degrees. And this is gonna be, that should be fine at 5 degrees. We're gonna put our dressing or our sauce. Put this on liberally. So this is clearly more than we need. But you know what? We'll have a little extra on the plate for dipping. All right, I think that's good right there. Put a little sprig right here, or wherever you want for taking the photo, and then we're gonna taste it. All right, so we're ready to taste. Let's take this one right here. Totally done. All right, let's see how this is. Oh, I can't wait for you to try this. Let me cut you a piece. It's got some skin on it. It's got some flavor. Look at the juices coming out of that. It's just beautiful. Here you go. I'll tell you what, that's absolutely wonderful.
That's something else.
It's absolutely wonderful. Whip It Up with Jay is a great channel. This is a great recipe. The guy can cook and he's got a great channel. I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe, comment, tell me where you're from, and I'll see you next time on
While you're in the kitchen.